Hey folks, okay, so now in this example for the empty filter options in Divi Ajax Filter, we're going to be taking a look at how to display filter items or options even when there are no options available for, let's say, a specific tag for the other items. So what that means is that if I click on one of these categories, for example, these options are not going to change, but the other ones will, and they will show the zeros. So for example, if I click on clothing, we're going to see here that all these options at the top, they kind of stay the same. But at the bottom here, you can see decor has nothing in clothing, music has nothing in clothing. And then if I click on, let's say, decor, again, we'll see top options, they don't change, but at the bottom, we've got a bunch of zeros. Now, if you do see this uncategorized category, that's not an issue, don't freak out. All you need to do is to go change your default category for your products in this example, or if you're using posts to be filtered, you need to go change that default category to be whichever one you would like it to be, and then go delete out uncategorized. It is one of those default things that WordPress throws in there. So let's go take a look at the backend and show you how you can get your filter to work the way that mine does right here. Okay, so here I am on the backend of the site. I'm going to open up my filter settings here. And the first setting we want to check and make sure we've got on here is the filter update method needs to be on change. And the second thing we need to do is update filter count and empty options for clicked item. We are wanting to show everything, so we are not going to be removing any options there. And that's it for the main settings. Now, per field, depending on how you want them to display, I'm going to go into my categories or my tags. It doesn't really matter. It's going to be the same settings. You can come down here and you want to look at the empty options again. Now, the important settings right here is going to be here on the empty options. We want to say show empty filter options. That's going to make sure that it shows that 0 on the front end of the page. And then, of course, something that's going to be helpful to your users is that if you come down here to the checkbox radio button section, you want to show those display filter counts so that they can see, okay, well, this category is 0. That's why there might not be any products being displayed on the other side. Or maybe if you're using the post type, that's why there's no blog post showing up. And that's going to be it. That's pretty simple to do, but just another use case for Divi Ajax Filter. Now, if you want to explore other use cases for the empty filters, definitely check out the documentation or our YouTube channel, where we'll have lots of content for you to help you get the most out of your investment. So that's it from me. I'm going to catch you in the next video.